It's Tuesday, May 24th, 2022. I'm Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage related topics. Today's topic is about real estate in the form of mountains, because New Jersey not only has very beautiful property, but we have very beautiful land here as well. Now, hiking is one of my favorite things to do, so I'm going to talk about some great hiking trails in New Jersey that you can check out with your family and friends. The first trail is in Warren County, and it is called Mount Tammany. This is one of my favorite trails because it has very, very beautiful scenery and it provides a really good workout. Now, if you are older or if you have children or pets or you've never hiked before, put those excuses out the window, because I've seen every single one of those categories on hikes. Dogs, kids, older people, people in dress shoes, you name it, I've seen it. Now, Mount Tammany, you climb up this steep hill, and once you get to the top, it's gorgeous. You see Pennsylvania on one side of the Delaware River, and New Jersey is the side that you're on. And one time we actually did this for a sunrise hike, so we started when it was still dark outside, and by the time we got to the top, we saw all the beautiful pinks and purples in the sky before the sun was fully risen. So it's a really great hike I suggest doing, and again, that's in Warren County. Second hike, Pyramid Mountain. This is a moderate hike in Morris County, and I'm at the point now where I like more tough hikes, but Pyramid Mountain is one of my favorites because it's the first time that I ever saw a black bear on a hike. And we kept our distance. The bear didn't come near us and we didn't go near it, but Pyramid Mountain is really great if you want more of a beginner level hike that still has a little bit of a challenge to it. Number 3 is Buttermilk Falls. Now this one, gorgeous. This is located up in the very tip of the state in Sussex County, New Jersey. And Buttermilk Falls is special because it has the tallest waterfall in the entire state. So if you go after it has rained, it provides an opportunity to take some really great pictures and video by the waterfall. But this trail, aside from being beautiful, it is very challenging. You start by going up this 1.2 mile steep climb. I mean, when I say steep, like you're using your hands and your feet for this, which adds to the amazingness of it. And once you get to the top of the mountain, you connect to the famous Appalachian Trail, which, if you didn't know, the Appalachian Trail goes through 14 different states, starting from Maine, going all the way down to Georgia. Also on this trail are Crater Lake and Hemlock Pond, which are some nice bodies of water you can stop at for some more scenery and just, to hang out if you want to do that. The fourth hike, this is one of my favorites as well, Giant Stairs. Now, the Giant Stairs is in Bergen County, and this hike provides amazing views of the Hudson River and New York skyline from New Jersey's Palisade Cliffs. It's about a 4-ish mile loop, and it includes an intense mile-long boulder scramble. And when I say intense, I mean, I've seen people quit on this one. There was actually a news article where someone had to get helicoptered off of the side of the cliff because they were too scared to finish. I don't think it's that scary. The first time I did it, I wasn't really that experienced. I had on some boots. They weren't even real hiking shoes. But, every hike's not for everybody. But Giant Stairs is great. Aside from the boulder scramble, it's got a beautiful waterfall. And no matter which side you start on, you're going to get a really good workout from the uphill climb that you have to do. The trail is very popular, but like I said, it's challenging. So if you're not with an experienced hiker, if you're not experienced, maybe you shouldn't do this one. And number 5 is High Point. High Point's one of my favorites because it is a hike that you can make as long or as short as you want, and it has New Jersey's tallest point. So Buttermilk Falls has the tallest waterfall, and High Point has the actual highest point that you can get to in New Jersey, which is about 1,800 feet above sea level. This one provides amazing panoramic views of the area there, and this one is also in Sussex County. So these are just 5 of my favorite hikes. The footage to support is included. But if you ever want to hike, just reach out to me and ask me any questions you have, because I'll tell you all about it. And if you want to hike with me and my gang, let me know, because we love newbies. So that's it for today. NJ's, my top 5 NJ hikes. I'll come back to you maybe with some more in a few weeks. But if you have any questions on hiking, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next Tuesday. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great rest of your week.